9 Ford models hitting the road in 2027 could completely reshape the automotive landscape, and some of them are already shattering expectations before they even reach production. We're talking about a $30,000 electric truck that Ford's own CEO admits comes with no guarantees, plus a Mustang that might deliver over 1,000 horsepower. Ford's literally staking their entire future on this lineup. Let's kick things off with the most controversial entry, Ford's mystery $30,000 electric pickup. Ford CEO Jim Farley calls this their Model T moment, but here's where it gets interesting. He also admitted there are absolutely no guarantees this will work. His exact words were, "We're doing so many new things I can't tell you with 100% certainty that this will all go just right. It is a bet. There is risk." That's hardly the confidence you'd expect from a CEO unveiling a revolutionary product, but this truck carries massive importance for a shocking reason. When Ford tore down a Tesla Model 3, they discovered their own Mustang Mach-E packed nearly a mile more wiring than Tesla's car. A full mile of extra wiring. That discovery triggered a complete overhaul of how they build electric vehicles. This new truck runs on what Ford calls their universal EV platform, which slashes parts by 20%, eliminates over 4,000 feet of wiring, and needs 40% fewer workstations during assembly. The truck itself weighs 22 pounds less just from the shortened wiring harness. But here's what's really wild. Farley says this truck is really not a pickup. Instead, it debuts with a new silhouette and offers more room than a Toyota RAV4, plus a front trunk and a pickup bed. The performance specs sound absolutely insane. Ford claims it'll rocket to 60 miles per hour as fast as a Mustang EcoBoost, which is around 4.5 seconds. For a $30,000 truck, that's genuinely remarkable. And here's a fascinating detail. $30,000 today equals roughly what the original Model T cost a century ago when adjusted for inflation. Ford's then literally attempting to recreate automotive history. Production kicks off in 2027 at their Louisville assembly plant in Kentucky, which they're completely rebuilding with a $5 billion investment. They're even creating what they call an assembly tree, where 3 different vehicle sections get produced on separate lines that converge for final assembly. It's unlike anything Ford has ever attempted, but there's real drama brewing around the name. Ford filed a trademark for Ranchero. That's the car-based pickup they built from 1957 to 1979 to compete with the Chevy El Camino. If they resurrect the Ranchero name after 48 years, that would send enthusiasts into absolute frenzy. Now let's discuss what might be the most crucial truck for Ford's immediate future, the 2027 F-150 Lightning EREV. This is where things get really fascinating because Ford is essentially admitting their current electric strategy isn't working. The regular Lightning sells about 25,000 units annually, which sounds decent until you realize regular F-100s move over 600,000 units each year. Ford's solution? Transform the Lightning into an extended range electric vehicle. It's still powered 100% by electric motors, but it carries a gasoline engine that acts as a generator to charge the batteries. The result? Over 700 miles of range compared to the current Lightning's 320 miles. Ford claims it'll tow like a locomotive and still blast to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. Doug Field, Ford's chief EV officer, says this truck will prove every bit as revolutionary as the original Lightning. The genius here lies in getting pure electric driving with instant torque, but without range anxiety. No more planning charging stops on long trips or watching towing capacity plummet dramatically. This represents a massive pivot for Ford. After pouring billions into pure electric vehicles and losing over $5 billion in their Model E division during 2024 alone, they're basically declaring that hybrids and EREVs represent the future, at least for now. It's a humbling moment for a company that was supposed to challenge Tesla head-to-head. Moving into performance territory, the 2027 Bronco RTR might be the most exciting off-road vehicle Ford has ever created. This isn't just another trim level, it's a collaboration with RTR Vehicles, the company founded by drifting champion Vaughn Gittin Jr. Order banks open in October 2026, with sales launching January 2027. The RTR arrives with a wider track and new high-clearance suspension paired with 33-inch rugged terrain tires. The first time Bronco has offered this combination from the factory. But here's the coolest part. It features software-operated anti-lag turbo technology that Ford developed for the GT supercar. In motorsports, anti-lag keeps turbochargers spooled when you lift off the throttle, eliminating turbo lag. Ford adapted this for off-road use, so you get instant power when bombing through the desert. The optional Sasquatch package adds 35-inch tires and the Haas 3.0 suspension system with Fox internal bypass shocks. This was previously exclusive to Badlands models, so you're getting Raptor-level performance at a lower price point. Haley Skiko, Bronco's brand manager, calls it a new sweet spot for performance value. The real headline grabber might be the return of the Mustang GT500, except it probably won't carry the GT500 name. A leaked dealer memo confirms it's launching in 2026 with an engine codenamed Legend. Ford has been busy filing trademarks for names like Boss, Dark Horse Boss, Cobra, and even just Ford Cobra. The timing couldn't be better because 2027 marks the 60th anniversary of the original Shelby GT500. The current GT500 cranks out 760 horsepower from its supercharged 5.2-liter V8, but expect the new one to push 785 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque, incorporating lessons learned from the 815 horsepower Mustang GTD. Here's where it gets absolutely wild though. Ford also offers a 7.3-liter V8 they call Megazilla that generates 1,000 horsepower in supercharged form. While it seems unlikely they'd put that in a road car, the 60th anniversary would be the perfect time for something truly special. And for the first time since 2014, spy photos show convertible prototypes testing, so drop-top performance is definitely coming back. The Ford Explorer is getting a complete redesign in 2027, though some reports suggest it might be delayed to 2029. This makes sense since the current Explorer was last redesigned in 2020, and Ford has been pushing back updates. The redesign was originally scheduled for 2024, then 2025, and now 2027. When it does arrive, expect it to showcase Ford's new design language and possibly electrified powertrains as part of their goal to offer hybrids across every model by 2030. The Expedition tells a different story. Since Ford just redesigned it for 2025, the 2027 model will likely be a carryover with one major addition: hybrid power. Ford's stated goal is to offer a hybrid choice across every Ford Blue nameplate by the end of the decade, so expect a hybrid version of the twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 that currently produces up to 440 horsepower. Project T3 is Ford's secret weapon, a groundbreaking electric truck that's being built at their new Blue Oval City facility in Tennessee. Production starts in the second half of 2027, and Ford promises features and experiences never seen on any Ford truck. This includes upgraded bi-directional charging capability so your truck can power your house, and advanced aerodynamics that'll likely make it the most efficient electric truck on the market. The 2027 F-250 Super Duty represents Ford's approach to heavy-duty trucks going electric. Well, sort of electric. Ford is calling it multi-energy technology, which sounds like hybrid power applied to their biggest trucks. The current F-250 generates 405 horsepower from its 6.8-liter V8, or you can get the diesel with 1,200 pound-feet of torque for serious towing. Adding hybrid assistance could push these numbers even higher while improving fuel economy. Finally, there's Ford's 3-row electric SUV, which has been delayed multiple times and now isn't expected until 2027. Ford says this delay will allow for the consumer market for 3-row EVs to further develop and will let them use more advanced battery technology. Translation: the market isn't ready yet, and their current tech isn't good enough. This vehicle is expected to bring the Explorer nameplate into the electric era, competing directly with vehicles like the Tesla Model X. Ford claims it'll offer the space families need with electric efficiency, but given their struggles with EV profitability, they're being cautious about the timing. Ford's massive $5 billion investment in their universal EV platform and battery technology makes all of this possible. They're building America's first automaker-backed lithium iron phosphate battery plant in Michigan, which starts production in 2026. LFP batteries are cheaper and more durable than current lithium-ion tech, which is crucial for hitting that $30,000 price target. Ford is also launching artificial intelligence assistance in 2027 with level 3 autonomous capability arriving in 2028. That means hands-free, eyes-off driving in certain conditions, a major step headed toward full self-driving. But here's the reality check. Ford lost over $5 billion on electric vehicles in 2024, and they don't expect their EV business to be profitable until 2029. They've spent billions more on warranty and recall issues, setting industry records for recalls in 2025. CEO Jim Farley admits he wouldn't be surprised if EV sales in America fall by half when federal tax credits expire. This lineup represents Ford's all-or-nothing bet on a different kind of electrification strategy. Instead of pure electric vehicles, they're betting on hybrids, extended range electrics, and affordable EVs built on revolutionary manufacturing manufacturing processes. It's either going to save Ford's future or become another cautionary tale about automotive ambition exceeding reality. The question isn't whether these 9 models are innovative, they clearly are. The question is whether Ford can execute this vision profitably, while Tesla, Chinese manufacturers, and traditional competitors aren't standing still. With production starting in just 2 years for some of these models, we won't have to wait long to discover if Ford's wild 2027 lineup is genius or gamble.